Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas and taking a look real quick at the market. Just keep an eye on the SPY because after a big move, when you have a doji like that, this could signify a top. You don't assume it at all. You wait for a break below that low. But anyway, let's dive into some stocks. So I've been mentioning for a while now, I've been seeing a lot of opportunity in China and seeing a nice gap up this morning in Alibaba. Not, I'm already in this, so not something I'm going to chase today. But let's take a look around at some ones that may be setting up. This MNSO looking like it might want to break this level here. Just setting alert. Looks it is gapping up, but could take out this 1850 level at some point. TAL. Now this is kind of ugly on the daily, but it has gotten above all its key moving averages, and I would be looking for a break above that 650 level. And uh, you can always play it by K-Web too. If you're looking at China Internet, it's also gapping up this morning. Meta, I don't. I don't. It's a beautiful setup, but after the market is so extended, I'm careful with setups like this. I might give it a try, but if it fails, I'm quick to get out. And let's take a look at Tal. I think I did look at Tal already. Let's see. I have to take a look at Lennar on earnings, and it is gapping up pretty sloppy here. Not the setup that I'm looking for, but you still it's on all-time highs, so you got to keep an eye on it and respect it. Last one is LLY. Okay, Eli Lilly, looking like it wants to break out of this range. Watch it above that 450 level. All right, guys, but my focus has been China. I think there's some opportunity there. And there's some other ones on my list today. But have a great day, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye bye.